Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, have you ever found Arabic letters difficult to understand? Are you unsure how to pronounce them with the correct Arabic accent? Whether you are a parent looking for a reliable Quran teacher for your children, or a teenager or adult seeking to improve your Quranic reading, this series is made just for you. In this series, I will teach you every rule and every lesson of the Madani Qaida with proper Tajweed, step by step, from the basics to fluency, insha'Allahul Kareem. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidil Mursaleen. Amma ba'du fa'a'udhu billahi minash shaytanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we will discuss lesson number 1, which is about Huruf-e Mufradat. Huruf-e Mufradat are also known as individual letters. And we will discuss questions. Let's start from question number 1, which is about how many individual letters are there. There are 29 Mufradat letters. You can say these 29 letters are called Mufradat letters. And these letters are also known as individual letters. And letters in the Arabic alphabets are known as Mufradat letters. Next question is, how should individual letters be pronounced? Pronounce the Mufradat letters with the Arabic accent according to the rules of Tajweed and Qiraat. Yes, avoiding Urdu pronunciation. For example, don't pronounce them at all as be, te, se, he, he, because some people pronounce them as be, te, se, he, which is completely wrong, which is not Arabic accent. As we are learning Arabic accent, we must pronounce them in Arabic accent, which is ba, ta, similarly ha and kha, in this way. Okay. And next question is, what are Musta'aliya letters? From these 29 letters, there are 7 letters that are always pronounced with the thicker voice. Remember this thing, with the thicker voice. So Musta'aliya letters are always pronounced in a thicker voice. These letters are called Musta'aliya letters. Or you can say letters in blue color, like these letters kha, similarly sad, dad. And these letters in blue colors are called Musta'aliya letters, and these letters will always be pronounced in a thicker voice. Next question is, what is their combination? Their combination or abbreviation is Khuswa Daqutin Qiz. This is actually shortcut to remember these 7 letters. So you can remember these 7 letters by using this abbreviation, which is Khuswa Daqutin Qiz. Next question is, how many letters are pronounced from the lips? There are 4 letters that are pronounced by using lips, which are fa, waw, mim, this mim, and ba. These 4 letters are pronounced by using lips. And apart from these letters, don't let the lips move while pronouncing any other letter like ba, ta, sa. While pronouncing these letters, don't use your lips. Next question is, what are Safiria letters? What are whistle sound letters? Safiria letters are also known as whistle sound letters. And how to pronounce them? While pronouncing these 3 letters, za, sin, and sad, a whistle like high pitched sound is created. This sound like za, z, this sound. Similarly, in this letter sin, s, this sound. And in this letter sad, this sound. This sound is whistle like high pitched sound. Okay, that's why these letters are called letters of Safiria. Safiria means letters producing a whistle like sound. Now we are going to discuss Arabic accent of Arabic alphabets. So first letter is Alif. Repeat after me. Alif. Some people pronounce this letter as Alif or Alaf in Urdu accent, which is completely wrong. Just say alif. Next letter is ba. Repeat after me. Ba. In this way. Don't pronounce it like bete, se, bete in Urdu accent. As we are learning Arabic accent, so pronounce it in Arabic accent. Repeat after me. Ba. Next letter is ta. Ta. Some people pronounce this letter as te, which is completely wrong. So be careful. Repeat after me. Ta. In this way. Next letter is sa. Sa. Stretch this letter equal to 1 second. Similarly this ta and similarly this ba. Why we are stretching equal to 1 alif or 1 second? Insha'Allahul Kareem, I will tell you in lesson number 7 why we stretch it equal to 1 alif or 1 second. So repeat after me. Sa. Some people pronounce this letter like sa with whistle. This is not from superior letters. Okay, so don't use whistle while pronouncing this letter. Pronounce this letter without whistle. Okay, so repeat after me. Sa. In this way. Sa. Next letter is Jeem. Jeem. Stretch this letter equal to 3 seconds. Some people pronounce this letter in like Jeem in this way. So why we are stretching this letter equal to 3 seconds, inshallah, I will explain in lesson number 17. Next letter is ha. Next letter is ha, which is pronounced from the middle of the throat. Some people say ha like in Urdu, which is wrong. This is Arabic ha with a soft sound from the middle part of the throat. Remember, this letter is different from others, like this letter ha. This letter is ha and this letter is ha. So be careful because changing the sound changes the meaning. Okay, next letter is kha. Kha. Kha is from musta'aliya letter. As we have learned, this is in this letter is in blue color, and all letters we have in blue color are from musta'aliya letters. Musta'aliya letters mean thicker sound letters. So repeat after me. Kha. Don't round your lips. It is pronounced from the top part of the throat. Okay. Stretch it equal to 1 alif or 1 second. Next letter is dal. Dal. Stretch it for 3 seconds. Inshallah, I will explain in lesson number 17 why it is stretched. Next letter is lal. Repeat after me. Lal. Don't pronounce it like zal in this way because this is not from superior letters. So don't pronounce with whistle. Only 3 letters in Arabic are pronounced with whistle, and this is not from one of them. Next letter is ra. Ra. This letter can sometimes be read in thick voice and sometimes in thin voice. And remember one thing, alif, lam and ra are the 3 letters that change between thick and thin voice. Ra is not from musta'aliya letters, but still sometimes it is pronounced with a thick voice. Why? Inshallah, I will tell you in lesson number 16. For now, pronounce it with thick voice. Ra. And don't round your lips. Just say ra in this way. Next letter is za. Repeat after me. Za. This is a whistling letter, or you can say Safiria letter, and must be pronounced with a clear whistling sound, like z, this sound, z, this sound, za, in this way. Next letter is Sin. Repeat after me. Sin. This is also a whistling letter, so stretch it for 3 seconds. Stretch it for 3 seconds, like Sin, in this way. Next letter is Sheen. What is it? Sheen. Stretch it for 3 seconds. Next letter is Sad. Sad. This is also a thicker letter and pronounced with kalkala at the end. Kalkala means echo sound. Inshallah, in lesson number 11, I will explain the rules of kalkala. Repeat after me. Sad. And one more thing, make clear difference between sad and sad. Make clear difference between sad and sad. As we have read that this letter is a thick letter and pronounced with kalkala at the end. Kalkala means echo sound, sad, this sound. Next letter is dad. Dad. Again, pronounce it with kalkala at the end like previous letter. It is pronounced from the sides of the tongue touching the roots of the upper molars, top back teeth. Upper molars mean top back teeth, like dad, dad. And this is also from Mustalia letter, so pronounce it in thick voice. Next letter is pa. Repeat after me. Pa. This is also a thicker letter. This is also a thicker letter. Don't pronounce it like the thin ta. Okay? This ta and this pa. Make clear difference between this ta and this ta. Okay? This is ta and this is ta. 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 Okay? Because this is a thicker letter. So, and keep it heavy. Keep it heavy. Next letter is Ra. Next letter is Ra. This is also a thicker letter. As we have read, letters in blue are thicker letter or Mustalia letters. So you will also pronounce this letter in thicker voice. So repeat after me. Ra. And pronounce it like Ra without rounding your lips and without whistle, because this is not from whistling letters. Okay? And one more thing, make clear difference between this Ra and this za. This is za with whistle and this is Ra without whistle, and this is not from Safiria letter and this letter is from Safiria letter. So you will pronounce this letter in a thicker voice as well as without whistle, but this letter will be pronounced in thin voice and as well as with whistle, because za is from Safiria letters. Next letter is Ain. Repeat after me. Ain. This letter comes from the middle of the throat. Some people pronounce it like an or with kalkala, like ain at the end, which is completely wrong. Okay? It must be pronounced deeply, like ain. Next letter is ghain. Next letter is ghain. This is also a thick letter which is pronounced from the upper part of the throat but heavier than ain. Okay? This letter is heavier than ain and this letter is also from Mustalia letter. So you will pronounce this letter in a thicker voice. Next letter is fa. Fa. Fa is pronounced from the edges of the two upper front teeth touching the inside part of the lower lip. Okay. Don't take the sound into nose. Just pronounce clearly fa in this way. Fa. Next letter is Qaf. This is a thicker letter which is pronounced from the root of the tongue, touching the soft part of the palate. Palate means top of the mouth. So repeat after me. Qaf. Qaf. Don't round your lips. Okay. Next letter is Kaf. This is thin letter. Okay. This is thin letter. This was thick letter and this was from Mustalia letters. So you will pronounce this letter in a thicker voice, and this letter is not from Mustalia letter. So make clear difference between this letter and this letter. This letter is pronounced in thin tone and this letter is pronounced in thick voice. Okay, this is Kaf and this is Qaf. So there is a clear difference between these two letters. Next letter is Lam. Repeat after me. Lam. Stretch it for 3 seconds. And don't let the sound go into your nose like lam in this way. Lam. Because some people pronounce it like lam, which is wrong. Okay. Don't let the sound go into your nose. Next letter is Mim. Repeat after me. Mim. And don't say meme in this way. Meme. Okay. Don't say meme with a nasal sound. Don't let the sound go into your nose. Just clearly say meme. Next letter is Noon. Okay. Noon. Some people pronounce it with qalqala at the end, like noon, n at the end, which is wrong. Okay. So pronounce it like noon. And don't say it with a nasal sound. Read it with rounded lips. Just say noon by rounding your lips. Next letter is Wow. Okay. It is pronounced by the rounding of both lips. Wow. In this way. Next letter is Ha. This sound comes softly from the bottom of the throat. So make clear difference between this Ha and this Ha and this Kha. Okay. This is Ha, this is Kha, and this is Ha. So make clear difference between these three letters. This letter and this letter and this letter. Okay. Okay. Next letter is Hamza. Hamza. In this way. Look at here. This letter, this word has Ha at the start as well as at the end. And don't pronounce it like Hamza. Hamza. Okay. This Ha will also be pronounced. Okay. Hamza in this way. Hamza in this way. Next letter is Ya. Ya. Alhamdulillah, we have completed lesson number 1. This is just the beginning of your Quranic journey. Insha'Allahul Kareem, in the next lesson, we will learn about the exact pronunciation of compound letters, or you can say Hurufe Murakkabat. If you are in Pakistan, UK, USA, Canada, Italy, and you want professional online classes, we are here to help. You can contact us via WhatsApp for free trial class. Subscribe to Learn with Ali Hamza and don't forget to press bell icon. Like, share and help others begin their Quran journey too. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallahu khaira.